Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. I'm really excited to tell you that my new book came out a few days ago and I would like to share it with you. For a long time, many of my students have been asking me to prepare a grammar book to follow with the video lessons on YouTube. And it's been a while I have been working on it and finally I managed to finish and publish it. In this book, you can find all the 27 grammar topics of A1 with explanations, and after each grammar topic is explained, it's reinforced with several exercises with solutions. Now let's take a closer look at one of the grammar topics together. This grammar topic is present continuous tense negative questions. First of all, in the diagrams, you can see all the suffixes that you need for this particular grammar. And there is something new in the book, which is not available in my YouTube video lessons, that makes learning really easier is all the suffixes and the words are shown in different colors. So you can recognize the English and Turkish equivalents of the suffixes and words. For example, in this example sentence, I in English, ben is in Turkish, both of them written in green. Ask in English, which is sor in Turkish, both of them written in black. And the ing suffix here in English, which is uyor in Turkish, both of them written in red. And the rest of the suffixes and the words also written in different colors like this. In this way, you can easily analyze and break down the sentences to see all the components, and it will really make the grammar easier to understand and facilitate learning the language. And after the grammar is explained, it's reinforced with several exercises. First, you do a basic translation exercise from English to Turkish, and you can see the solutions right in the next page. Then, a question and answer exercise with the solutions. And after that, a fill in the blanks exercise with solutions. And finally, you translate the full text on your own. And besides learning the grammar topics in this way, we will also learn hundreds of most common words in Turkish. Alright friends, I will leave the link for the book below in the description and comment section for those who are interested. I hope it will be really useful and helpful for everyone. If you have any questions about the book, please write them in the comment section. For now, take care and bye. Kendinize iyi bakın, hoşça kalın.